Hey everybody, Brett the Ford guy here, and today I'm going to show you all the parts that you're going to need to build your very own factory camper package for your 2017 to 2026 Ford F250 or F350 single rear wheel. And what I'm talking about is the stabilizer bar that connects to the frame. There's a bunch of brackets and sway bar links and bolts and nuts that you're going to need. And I'm going to get you all the part numbers for all those, and then I'm going to do another video installing all of these. But this video is strictly just the parts that you're going to need, so if you're mechanically inclined, you should be able to put these together pretty easily. But I'm also going to have a link to the video that's going to be installing this. That's going to be in the description below. Also in the description below is going to be a list of all the parts that I'm going to show you today, as well as the part numbers and how many of each part you're going to need. That's going to be listed in the description below. So I hope all this information is helpful. I know it would have been helpful for me when I went to go put this thing together myself. I had to return a bunch of parts, and I still don't have 100% all the correct parts, but we're close enough and it should work. So let's get started, and I'll show you all the parts that you're going to need. And remember, they're going to be linked in the description below, as well as how many of each you're going to need. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this one, give me a like and subscribe on the YouTube channel, and let's get started. All right guys, here are all the parts that you're going to need to build your own camper package. And obviously the biggest, most important piece is this sway bar here, this huge sway bar. Here's going to be your part number for this one. This is HC3Z-5A772-A, and you're only going to need one of them. It should come with these rubber mounts on here already from the factory when you buy this. At least mine did. You can get these replacement mounts on the internet too. I don't have the part number for that, and they don't really say it. They might say it on the other side, but anyways, it should come with that if you order this sway bar link from Ford. The next thing you're going to want to order are two of these. This is HC3Z-5L499-A. And I already put this one on the truck, so that's why I removed the sticker, but they're exactly the same piece. You need two of those, one for each side. And then you're going to want to get 4 of these guys. Now these online are listed as fuel tank skid plate bolt nuts, or skid plate nuts. And they are part number W717462-S439. But you're going to want to get 4 of them. They look just like that, and this is really the key to mounting these to the frame of the truck. Next, you're going to want to get these brackets right here, and these brackets actually go right over these, like so. When they connect to the axle of the truck, and you're going to want to get 2 of those. This is actually one of the parts that I had to reorder because the original brackets I got were nothing like that and did not fit this application. 7C3Z-5486-B, and you're going to want to get 2 of those. I got 2 right there, and like I said, they fit right over these pieces like so, and then they bolt on to the axle of the truck. Next, you're going to want to get all the right bolts. So these bolts connect these things to these nuts. You're going to need 4 of them. And this pack is W500644-S439, and it comes in a pack of 4, so you can get those 4 bolts. They secure these to this nut when it's on your frame. And these look like that when they get put on the frame of your truck. So next you're going to want to order these bolts. This is W500 634-S439, and you're going to need 4 of those. And these connect these to the axle there. Next, you're going to want to get 4 of these locking nuts. And I actually had to order 2 more because I only got 2 with my original order. But you're going to need these. These are W52014-S440, and you're going to need 4 of those. So they come in packs of 2, so I ordered 4 of them. And what those do is they go on the ends of here. So this connects to here, and this one connects to here, and then these nuts go on the end. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, you're going to need the sway bar links here. And this is my disclaimer, guys. So this is the closest I could find to a factory camper package. I could not find the exact length. I actually ordered a part number very similar to this one. In fact, this one is HC3Z-5K484D. I actually ordered 484-C, and that one was an inch too short. So you can adjust the angle on these, so we should be able to use these, and you know, as long as both sides are the same length, I think that's the most important part. These are about 3/4 of an inch longer than the ones that I saw on the lot where I work on a factory camper package. So that is everything that you're going to need, and I hope that helps, guys. Remember, I'm going to be making the video on installing all this stuff, and we're going to see if those sway bar links in fact do fit and work for this application. I hope they do, because I really don't want to order any more parts. But I hope you're able to order all your stuff for your camper package on your 2017 to 2026 Ford F250 or F350 single rear wheel that doesn't have the camper package. Now, I know they make aftermarket kits out there, but from my experience, just from seeing used vehicles a lot, I find that the aftermarket kits, they're not finished as nice, meaning that they're not as rust proof or rust resistant or corrosion resistant as the factory stuff. So I always like going factory. I know they make beefier bars and bigger bars for bigger loads and stuff, but if you just want the camper package, the simple factory one, those are all the parts you're going to need. And remember, they're all going to be labeled in the description below, along with exactly how many of each you're going to need. So thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and I hope it was helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. In fact, in a second you'll see a link to subscribe to the YouTube channel in the upper left hand part of the screen, a link to how to install this camper package in the upper right, and a link to one of my latest videos in the lower bottom of the screen. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.